onion soup gratinée. Hi Rachel, I want to show you how to make a really classic French dish. I have about half a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of oil here, olive oil, preferably. I'm going to cut that coarsely. So I have a cup and a half of onion. And this has to cook for a while. I would say 10-15 minutes until it's nicely brown before you add the stock. And you stir it occasionally. My mother used to do hers by browning it a lot, and she put a little bit of flour and water and then finish it in a big terrine. But here we're doing the classic way with chicken stock. So I have a baguette here, and of course you can use any bit of stale bread usually. I would say at least 10 slices for this. And we're gonna put that into the oven to brown nicely. I have 3 cups of chicken stock here, and about a cup and a half of grated Gruyere here, and that would be for 2 gratinés like this. And as you can see, those are the bowls that I use for the gratinée. My favorite one is this one. Why? Because there is a lip here, and you see the lip here. So when you put the bread, the stock in it, you finish, the bread will come to the surface, you finish with the cheese. The cheese will tend to glue here, make a crust. And even if you do it ahead, it doesn't sink in. This one, when there is a straight side, the crust may sink it after. So preferably you have this one. Those are a cup and a half each. So that's almost a whole meal. So as you can see here, they are beautifully brown, and it cooked about 12 minutes on medium to low heat. And I have my 3 cups of stock. And depending on the seasoning of your stock, also you have to taste it. I need some pepper. Okay, so this has been boiling like 5 minutes. Croutons are ready. So I'm putting like 5 croutons. Depends, you can do it a little less, a little more. We're putting the whole thing. A little bit of cheese on top here, a bit of cheese here. I have 1 cup of cheese, as you can see here. So here, we'll fill that up. And cheese on top. So a cup and a half of cheese, which is about 4 ounces of cheese at the most. And that goes into the oven 4 to 425 for like 25-30 minutes. And this is it, la gratinée lyonnaise. The onion soup is the base, the gratin on top, that with the cheese and the bread. Happy cooking!